Dad caught another big muskie here at the Green River on the Musky Jake fishing shell. Look at the size of this one here. It's a good one. See if he jumps again. I missed the first jump. Oh yeah.
We're gonna pull him into the shore. Get him off. He's hooked good.
It's amazing he came back to hit it. You saw him go by.
I think it came out because I cast there. And it just...
Nice fish. Of course he came out when I was taking my sandwich break. Just my luck. Let me, okay. Sandy beat about that. Yeah. He's whipped.
How about let's go?
Success trip. Smash. Yeah, I thought we were just kind of paddling in for the day. Maybe they started hitting a little bit better later in the day. Maybe they still like it out of the morning.
Are you ready to